Thank you. Good evening. The title of my essay is We Are All Fijians. What can the youths do to promote common and equal citizenry as guaranteed under our constitution? We were all humans until race disconnected us, religion separated us, politics divided us, and wealth classified us. These divisible lines are the reasons equality is deliberated with considerable concern all over the world, and entrenching it firmly in all societies is a mammoth task. The basis of impartiality in a country is undoubtedly equal and common citizenry contrived through the nation's law. This essay aims to scrupulously deliberate on how equal and common citizenry is achieved in Fiji, its imperativeness, and how the youth as citizens of the country and its future generations promote it. All the nation's constitutions are tools that maintain law and order, ensure the rights of all citizens are protected, and provide justice and equality for all. The Constitution of the Republic of Fiji, for instance, states that, and I quote, "The Republic of Fiji is a sovereign, democratic state founded on the values of a common and equal citizenry and national unity," unquote. The most effective of all laws that help achieve equal citizenry is the Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights in Fiji, and I quote, provides specific provisions guaranteeing a range of civil and political rights and, for the first time, social and economic rights. These include the right to education, economic participation, a just minimum wage, transport, housing, food and water, health and social security, unquote. The Bill of Rights is applicable to every citizen of Fiji, thus has a vast scope when it comes to achieving equality amongst the citizens. Equal citizenry makes up the foundation of a fair society. A fair society will avert any one section from dominating other sections. To begin with, each member of an equal society is given equal opportunity in life. Hence, everyone is able to achieve their full potential. A population of self-actualized citizens have a better chance of leading their nation towards progress. The eradication of discrimination will also build solidarity between people. These strengthened bonds play a great role in achieving amity and a team atmosphere in our country. Moreover, having an equivalent say when it comes to choosing their own leaders will enable people to place their trust on the governing body. This truly is the basis of true democracy. There can be no daily democracy without daily citizenship. Writing legislations in the constitution of the country does not necessarily mean that a problem is well and truly eliminated from the society. In order to curb inequality among the citizens of Fiji, the citizens themselves are a principal component. Among the citizens of the country, the contribution of the youths is extremely vital as they are the future of the nation. Given the imperativeness of the involvement of youth in the country, the youth themselves should take on the responsibility and try to voice out in favor of equal citizenry. The main thing all youths are given the opportunity to do and should do from the age of 18 is to vote. This is a way in which everyone can exercise their equal citizenry as well as contribute towards the continuation of just governance. Furthermore, joining local youth groups helps get the young people to network with each other and talk openly about common citizenry. Engaging into such deliberations helps get one's point across to other youths who will also get inspired and passionately engage themselves into the battle against discrimination. Making the public aware about the issue can be done in various ways which utilizes the creativity in youths. For example, dances, posters, songs, plays, and so on. This way will ensure that the point is given across through an attractive medium which increases the chances of it getting through to the public successfully. Other mediums are also available for the young people of Fiji to voice out their opinions and concerns. A good example of this is the youth parliament sessions that are organized as they allow youths from all over the country to deliberate and debate on various issues of concern. If such opportunities surface in a youth's life, it is pivotal for the youth to make the most out of it and get the point across in a clear, detailed way that benefits the country in the generations to come. The awareness part is central when supporting equal citizenry, but it is of very little significance if it is not well established at the grassroots level. For the youth to be active citizens and make others aware of the importance of an equal society, it is mandatory that they themselves practice what they are preaching about. This would mean respecting the Constitution as the supreme law of the country and abiding by it. Treating everyone equally in their community is also a must, and this means that the youth should not be discriminating anyone based on their race, status, gender, sexual orientation, or disability. Equal treatment of students in schools by their peers and engaging themselves with activities from other sections of their community would also be a good start towards achieving common citizenry. Voicing out when they see an unjust practice can also make a difference. Small actions often help make a great deal of difference in the society. In conclusion, equal citizenry is indeed a great factor when it comes to achieving unity in a country. Unity is what eventually leads towards peace and development. Working together as equals on the basis of common citizenry is how the people of Fiji can take Fiji forward. The legislations are already in effect, so what the youth need to do as the future of the country is to promote the concept of equal citizenry as guaranteed under the present constitution. One person can make a difference and everyone should try. Thank you.